Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to WhiteSpotPirates channel analytics. She has uploaded 287 videos. She now has 87.3k subscribers with a total view of 18,324,986 views. She's from Germany, and her channel type is travel. She created her channel since June 28, 2013. The grade she got is B-, and she ranked at 4,504th in Germany and 2,491st travel. Next, the daily subs for WhiteSpotPirates is around 17 with a daily view of 4,420. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 5,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $20. Then, monthly income will be $600. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $330 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $3,960. That is how much WhiteSpotPirates earns from YouTube.